Looking for your dream home or planning to sell your current one? The right real estate agent can make all the difference. But how do you find that perfect match? Stick around and I'll give you the inside scoop on finding a trustworthy, effective real estate agent who will make your experience smooth and successful. First, let's talk about why finding a good real estate agent is so crucial. Buying or selling a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. You'll want someone who not only knows the market, but also genuinely cares about your needs and goals. So let's dive into how you can find that perfect partner in your real estate journey. Start with referrals. Ask friends, family, and colleagues for recommendations. Personal experiences from people you trust can be incredibly valuable. Remember, a great agent should have a history of happy clients. Next, do your research. Look up agents online, read reviews, and check their social media profiles. You want someone with a strong online presence and positive feedback. Their digital footprint can tell you a lot about their professionalism and success rate. If they cannot market themselves effectively online, how will they market your home? Food for thought. Don't be shy to interview multiple agents. Yes, you can do that. Ask them about their experience, their knowledge of the local market, and their strategy for buying or selling homes. It's also crucial to gauge their communication style. Do they listen well? Are they responsive and proactive? You want someone who communicates clearly and frequently. Look for credentials and awards. Certifications like Certified Residential Specialist, CRS, or Accredited Buyer's Representative, ABR, are signs of an agent who's committed to their profession. Awards and recognitions are also good indicators of their success and reputation. Finally, trust your gut feeling. You should feel comfortable and confident in your agent's abilities. This is someone who will be your guide through a major life event, so mutual respect and trust are essential. So there you have it. With those tips, you're well on the way to finding a real estate agent who's not only good, but great. If you're ready to start your journey or have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way.